Welcome to the International Professional Development IPD video series on project management. If you are interested to explore advanced career options in project management, you would like to watch this certification series. This video is on PMI PBA certification. Make sure to click like, subscribe and the bell icons to watch other project management certification series videos. If you watch this video to the end, you will be able to understand meaning of PMI PBA, know the eligibility criteria, make decision, is PMI PBA a right choice, track the PMI PBA application and exam process, and become aware of certification maintenance requirement. What is PMI PBA? PMI PBA stands for Project Management Institute Professional in Business Analysis. It is one of the PMI certifications awarded to qualifying candidates and is receiving importance among professionals. PMI PBA is internationally recognized, popular, and high-level professionally credible certification in business analysis. PMI PBA certification applies to businesses of various sectors and industries and is transferable across geographic boundaries. PMI PBA is affirmation of individual specialized knowledge and commitment to rapidly growing business analysis area. Graph on screen shows growth of PMI PBA designation holders over the last 5 years. The growth in numbers displays the popularity, interest, and confidence of professionals and employers in this certification. Who are PMI PBA and what they do? PMI PBA designation holders coordinate with stakeholders to interpret and analyze organization business needs. They re-engineer business process and operating procedures to improve the business profits. They demonstrate in-depth knowledge of business analysis principles, models, and tools and techniques. Overall, they contribute to the organization's success as a subject matter expert in business analysis. Benefits of PMI PBA. PMI PBA certification has a global recognition. It is a great career development tool, adds value to resume, broadens job opportunities, and provides higher earning potentials. Certification enables to learn and apply advanced level business analysis practices to project management. It certainly provides added value to employer organization and increase customer confidence. Many organizations are relying on certified professionals in business analysis. You might have a question by now. Is PMI PBA a right choice for me? Following self-analysis can help you make an informed decision. Are you motivated towards seeking specialized knowledge of business analysis? Are you interested in multiple certifications? Do you want recognition and distinguish yourself among peers as certified professional in business analysis? Are you willing to invest time, money, and put some hard work? If answers are positive, then yes, it is an excellent move to pursue PMI PBA certification path and bring positive change in career. But how to get PMI PBA? Here is the roadmap leading to PMI PBA certification. We may divide the roadmap in 3 phases: 1 pre-exam, 2 exam, and 3 post-exam. In pre-exam phase, candidates do a self-assessment to check eligibility. Once eligibility criteria is met, candidates move to application process. Subject to approval of application, candidates enter into second phase where they prepare and take the exam. After passing the exam, candidates become PMI professional in business analysis and celebrate. Third phase pertains to maintenance of the certification over the career. Let us talk the PMI PBA certification eligibility criteria for a self-assessment. Eligibility criteria is based on education, business analysis experience, and training in business analysis. PMI PBA experience requirement is dependent on candidates' education level. For secondary school diploma or associate degree holders candidates, business analysis Practitioner experience requirement is 60 months. For 4 years bachelor degree holders, experience requirement is 36 months. In both cases, experience must be non-overlapping and earned in last 8 consecutive years. For postgraduate degree or master degree holders, this unique overlapping professional business analysis experience requirement is 24 months. Training requirement in all cases is the same as 35 contact hours. 1 hour of classroom instruction equals to 1 contact hour. Where to get PMI PBA training? Requisite business analysis training can be received from employer organization, PMI authorized training partner, a training company, a consultant, a university college academic course or continuing education course. PMI does not make mandatory any specific course or resource. What next? If self-assessment determines one meeting the eligibility criteria of experience and training, next step is to start application process. Candidates must fill online application form on PMI website to record contact information, education, professional business analysis experience, and business analysis training, and click submit. Once application is processed, PMI will ask candidates to pay the exam fee. PMI exam fee varies based on candidate PMI membership status. For PMI members, exam fee is $405, while for non-members, it is $555. PMI membership is $129 a year. To apply for PMI PBA certification, candidates don't have to be a member of PMI. To summarize the application process, candidate must fill in and submit online application on PMI website. Normal application review period is 5 days. However, it may take longer if application is selected randomly for audit. During the audit, candidates may be asked to verify the information provided in the application. Once application review is complete, pay exam fee. Upon approval of application, candidate gets an eligibility ID, which is the key to move to the exam process. PMI PBA exam is conducted as a computer-based testing or CBT. In it, candidates sit in the exam at a local Pearson VUE testing center. Online proctor testing or OPT is also available for PMI PBA exam. In it, candidate can take the exam from home or office. To take OPT exam, you need a computer, mic, webcam, and a reliable internet. You are monitored during the exam through webcam and mic. From the date of issue of eligibility ID, candidates has 1 year period to schedule an exam and have 3 chances to appear. To schedule an exam, go to PMI website and it directs to Pearson VUE website. After scheduling exam, it is time to prepare for the exam. For exam preparation, you may consider review and study following documents: PMI Professional in Business Analysis Handbook, PMI Professional in Business Analysis Examination Content Outline, the PMI Guide to Business Analysis, and the most popular, a Guide to Project Management Body of Knowledge called PM Book Guide. PMI PBA certification exam follows the examination content outline. Percentage of exam questions is break up among 5 domain areas as Domain 1 Need Assessment 18%, Domain 2 Planning 22%, Domain 3 Analysis 35%, Domain 4 Traceability and Monitoring 15%, Domain 5 Evaluation 10%. PMI PBA exam is available in English language only. Exam time is 240 minutes or 4 hours. Exam consists of 200 questions. Out of it, only 175 questions are graded. Format of questions asked is multiple choice. Exam performance report is immediately available after close of exam. Candidates receive a printed copy of preliminary test results along with an overall pass-fail status. Once exam is passed, you may refer yourself as PMI professional in business analysis and celebrate. Upon passing exam, you get an elegant certificate. A digital version of certificate can be downloaded from PMI website. You may also get digital badge from PMI partner company Acclaim. To share it on LinkedIn or embed in your email signatures. The online certification registry automatically lists names of PMI certification holders. This feature allows search and verification of certification holders. You are authorized to use the PMI PBA designation in block letters after your name on business cards, personal letterhead, resume, and website, and in your email signatures. Once passed the exam, next follows maintenance phase. PMI PBA credential holders must earn 60 PDUs over a 3-year period. Pay renewal fee and get a renewal certificate for next 3-year cycle. PDU stands for Professional Development Unit. 1 hour of learning accounts to 1 PDU. These PDUs can be earned by variety of ways, such as educational activities, continuing education classes, webinars, etc. And maximum you can earn in this category is 35 PDUs. And by giving back to community as working in profession, volunteering, and creating knowledge. Maximum you can record in this category is 25 PDUs. To conclude the PMI PBA process, research well the options for career progression, do a self-assessment, and if qualify, submit application for exam. Upon acceptance of application, prepare well, pass the exam to get certified, and maintain certification by earning PDUs. Good luck! If you need more information or help, IPD can help in decision making, assessing eligibility, filling application, and exam preparation as well. Thank you for watching, and if find useful, make sure to click like, subscribe, and the bell icons to watch other project management certification series videos.